Hello, this is a very quick presentation and probably can't do the whole course justice, but it's going to be about 3 minutes long and try and guide you to make the correct decisions going forward for Key Stage 4. So computer science, what is it? There are 2 exams in computer science. Exam 1 is about computer hardware, networks, Wi-Fi, encryption, system utilities. I'll touch on that in a bit. And exam 2 is about coding, techniques, principles, predicting what would happen in code, things like that. There's also an NEA to complete in year 10. For those of you that don't know, NEA stands for non-examined assessment. That's where you would do some coursework or some classwork. However, the NEA in computer science isn't marked and has no contribution to your grade. They both come from exam 1 and 2. However, we do spend a lot of time concentrating on the NEA to get it just right, because it really is a warm-up for exam 2, because it all pertains around coding. You will know how good you are at coding from your assessments, and you'll know whether you feel you have the ability to go forward at Key Stage 4 and get your target grade. You should at the very least know what is on this page here. Understanding variables, how to make them, data types, inputs, selection, how to print to a screen, but most importantly down the bottom, how to create subprograms, be it procedures or functions, and understanding how to send values to a subprogram and get a value back. If you really do understand how to create subprograms, procedures or functions, you will be in a very good place to start Key Stage 4. The NEA project requires you to design a solution to a given problem, to code the solution based on your design, and to test the design for bugs and errors that may occur. I will teach you in year 10 how to complete the rest of what you need to know, building on from Key Stage 3, where we deal with lists, methods, iteration, and file manipulation. File manipulation is writing the results of a program to a Word document so you can store it for later on. So exam 2 covers all of the previous things that I've just mentioned, and generally that's why we spend so much time on the NEA, because coding is about 65-70% of the course. Exam 1 touches on computer systems, the types of computer systems there are, be it a car radio or a laptop. They're both very different and they do different things. How the memory they have affects what they do. How do you store things in a computer systems? We have a look at networks and media and how data is transferred across wires or Wi-Fi. And we have a look at computer system security, system software, and a final unit on legal, ethical, environmental and cultural issues. That is a very, very brief overview of the course. Basically, I want you to think whether you're a very good coder or not, or you're a competent coder, or whether you could close the gaps. It is quite a challenging course, and it is designed for people that maybe want to go and do computing A-level or become coders later in life. Good luck with your choices. If you have any questions, please feel free to come and see me or email me.